Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2013 Porsche Panamera Platinum Edition, 86,000 miles. We just serviced it. Brand new brakes and rotors, front and rear. Fully loaded, backup camera, nav, heated seats, air conditioned seats, heated steering wheel, V6 3.6 liter. It is in great shape, body's in great shape, interior's in great shape. A couple little scratches here. You can see faintly on the front bumper. One chip here on the hood, but besides that, rest of the body's in really good shape. Check out the inside here. Sunroof. As you can see, this thing is like brand new inside. It's in excellent condition. Bose stereo. Seats have the Porsche Crescent in there. That's an extra. Who knows what somebody paid for that. But it has sport mode. 86,967 miles. Start her up. If you might be interested in this, give us a call at 228-438-2056, or you could text us. Also, check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. And if you know somebody might be interested in this, go ahead and share it, subscribe, like, comment. If you need any Audi, Porsche, or Volkswagen service or repair needs, and you're in the Mississippi coast, definitely give us a holler. Check us out, give us a call, and we'll get you straight. Thanks for checking out our video.